Remember, little ones, every big dream starts with one tiny step.
Even the longest journeys start with a single, steady step.
Big or small, every step counts. Be proud of every one you take.
Trust each step, and the path will find you.
Trust yourself, stay curious, and never be afraid to try something new. Fall down, get up, and try again. The skies have room for every wing. Spread your wings wide, the sky's the limit when you believe.
A stumble is just a step toward a bigger leap. Never be afraid to try again.
Through strength and kindness, we can help each other rise.
Even slow steps carry the biggest dreams. Keep moving forward.
Every slow step holds its own quiet magic. Don't rush your journey.